If you're building an N8n, watch this video. Here's why I stopped building an N8n and I switched to OpenClaw. N8n workflows are blueprints. You build the path and it walks the path every time, forever. OpenClaw doesn't follow a blueprint. It will read the situation and with reasoning, make a decision on where to go. That's not automation, it's judgment, like a human. N8n asks one question. Did it happen? Then follow the next task. OpenClaw asks a different question. Does the event warrant a response? If so, which response should I give it? This is the difference between reactive AI and proactive AI. Reactive AI is an event happens, now I do the next thing. Proactive AI pulls in other events and other signals and can make a reasoning determination based upon what next step it should take. Not programmed in a workflow or a blueprint, but given guardrails of what it can and cannot do. Now let's talk feedback loops. This is something N8n cannot do. What's a good example of a feedback loop? It could be Google Analytics, saying how much traffic went to that page that the workflow created. N8n cannot change its workflow based upon output that is coming from a third-party source. There's no feedback mechanism. There is no understanding of what worked and what did not work. You get the same workflow 365 days a year running every single day. So if that's what you need, then fantastic, N8n. If you set up OpenClaw correctly, it can value every single work output that you're getting from something like Google Analytics. It can score it and then give a signal back to the system in order to fix its own workflow and self-heal to make it do that job better the next time. It literally gets smarter every single time you feed back in data. So your workflow in 6 months could be 10 times more optimized and it self-healed and it made itself better. N8n is a tool and a good one, but it was built for a world where humans make decisions and the bots do the execution. But that world is coming to an end. The autonomous workforce is here and OpenClaw is powering what that feedback loop can be to make better decisions and have a better work output. Want a great example of my feedback loop? Comment sprint and I'll send it to you on how I have a feedback loop on my content creation.